The first challenge I faced with creating this content was like, oh my gosh, like, where am I going to go to kick it off? Like, what should I do? Because the type of content I'm doing now, like, I just started posting some of the old videos and pictures I have from other trips I've taken, but none of them have been like super serious. So I had to figure out where I was going to go and who was going to go with me. That was what I was trying to figure out. Like, dang, who's going to come with me? Because I don't want to travel alone. Like, because the places I want to go, I love like islands. I love ocean. I love water. I'm going to do different types of places on this travel content series, but that's like my favorite type of place to visit. That's where I'm usually at. So I'm like, okay, where should I go? Who's going to go with me? And long story short, y'all, I felt like I can't wait on everybody else's schedule. I'm an entrepreneur. I don't have kids at this time. I can make my own schedule. So it was difficult trying to coordinate with other people. One, like budgeting for it, because to me, this is an investment. Like I'm investing into a new revenue stream. So I could put money behind a trip. Other people, it wouldn't look the same for them. So I didn't want to ask them to spend funds on a up and random trip, which will be random to them. Another thing is like they might not have the time off work because their work schedule, or they might have kids to deal with. So I very quickly realized like this is something I'm gonna have to go alone. And that was kind of scary for me because it's like, oh my gosh, it's my first time traveling solo outside of the country with like not meeting somebody there that I know, or that was like the first challenge. But we're here. I'm safe. We made it. Side note, Panama is one of the safest places I think I have ever traveled to solo. Like, it's the only place I've traveled to solo outside the country, but it was like, it's very safe. I'm staying at a family-friendly resort, which I think also helps with the safety feature. Like, as opposed to like an adults-only resort, maybe it would have been a little less safe, but I doubt it. Like, all the people here have been very nice, very helpful.